December 23, 1947. A small room at Bell Labs. Two thin gold wires touch a grey crystal called germanium. The signal gets louder, much louder. This is the first transistor, a tiny part that will replace hot glass tubes and change almost everything. Before this day, electronics ran on vacuum tubes. Tubes were big, they ran hot, they broke often. Radios, phone networks, and early computers were heavy and hard to keep running. Bell Labs wanted a small, cool, reliable switch, something you could build by the millions. Three names matter here. John Bardeen and Walter Brattain do the lab work. William Shockley leads the group. They know the goal: make a solid crystal control current the way a valve controls water. Their setup looks simple. A little plastic wedge, two strips of gold foil on the tip, cut into two very close points. Press those points onto germanium. Apply the right small voltage under the tip. Now a tiny push at one point controls a larger flow at the other. That means amplification. It also means switching. They speak into a circuit. The sound gets stronger. The room hears it. They have built a working transistor. A transistor is an electronic switch. A small signal controls a bigger one. Sometimes we use it to amplify. Sometimes we use it to turn things fully on or off. Small control, big result. That's the core idea. The first device used two touching points. It worked, but it was delicate. Weeks later, the team moved to a tougher design, the junction transistor. Now the switch lived inside the crystal, not just on the surface. It was easier to make it scale. After that, progress sped up. Hearing aids got smaller, radios fit in pockets, then came integrated circuits, many transistors on one tiny chip. Numbers exploded, thousands, then millions, then billions. Cost per function fell, power per device rose. We reached phones in pockets, laptops on desks, and servers across the world. Transistors are cooler than tubes. They use less power. They switch fast, billions of times per second. You can make them tiny and make many. That is why one lab demo became the base of modern computing. Real people made this happen. Ideas clashed. Notes were taken. Some were in the room for the first demo. Some missed it. But the invention stood. In 1956, the three key names shared the highest award in physics. The world had its switch. From two thin gold points on a crystal to the chip inside your phone. It's one idea repeated at unimaginable scale. Small control, big result. That's the transistor. That's how a tiny experiment in 1947 changed the world.